Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're here, you're probably staring at that frustrating error code HC on your 2025 Maytag washing machine and wondering what on earth went wrong. Don't worry, I'm here to break it all down for you in a simple, step-by-step way. This error typically pops up when there's an issue with the hot and cold water supply to your machine. It could mean the washer is detecting a problem with water temperature, pressure, or even the inlet valves. Let's dive in and get your laundry back on track. First off, safety first. Always unplug your washing machine before you start troubleshooting to avoid any electrical mishaps. Now, error code HC often stems from simple things like kinked hoses, incorrect water connections, or a faulty water inlet valve. Maybe your hot and cold water lines got switched, or there's a blockage in the hoses. The good news is, you can fix this yourself in most cases without calling a pro right away. Let's go through the troubleshooting steps. Step 1. Check your water supply hoses. Make sure they're securely connected to both the machine and your home's plumbing. If they're twisted or bent, straighten them out and ensure the water is turned on fully. Step 2. Verify that the hot and cold water lines are attached correctly, hot to hot and cold to cold. Sometimes, a simple swap fixes the issue. Step 3. Run a quick test cycle. Reset your machine by turning it off, unplugging it for a minute, and then plugging it back in. Select a normal wash cycle and see if the error persists. If that doesn't work, you might need to inspect the inlet valves or filters for any buildup or damage. These are usually located at the back of the machine. Give them a gentle clean with a soft brush and water. Remember, if you're not comfortable with this, it's time to call a certified technician to avoid causing more damage. In summary, error code HC is usually a quick fix with some basic checks, but it could indicate a bigger problem like a worn-out part. By following these steps, you'll save time and money. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more appliance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy washing.